Hey guys, got another Zippo trick tutorial for you. This is I'm using my Eagle Zippo, which I will do a video on because it's pretty cool. Um, Alright, so this is one of the more simple ones, right next to the I guess it's called quick light. You know, just basically light your Zippo as fast as you can. But this is an easy one. So basically, what you do is you start out with your with the Zippo with the lid facing up, right? And the hinge to your left. And you're going to put the Zippo in your forearm, and you're going to wrap your middle finger and ring finger around the Zippo. Then using your thumb, you're going to open the lid. So then you would strike it, right? So pretend it's on fire. You're going to take your thumb and pointer finger, and you're going to grab the lid towards the bottom half, and you're gonna have a pretty loose grip, and then you're gonna let go of your middle finger and ring finger, and it's gonna kind of sway down. Then you're gonna want to use your wrist to flip it back over, so like this. Alright, so you're just gonna want to use the weight of the base of the Zippo to like spin it around. And one key is, instead of just using these two fingers, your pointer finger and thumb, as you drop it, you're going to want to use this finger, your middle finger, to kind of support it, and it will stop. Because if you just use your pointer finger and thumb, what it's going to do is it's going to kind of want to tend to go deeper in your hand. So if you're at this point and you let go of these two fingers, re-grip it so you got 3-finger grip on it. Then when you flip it, it should rest perfectly. Then using the weight, you can flick your hand forward and it should close the lid. So here's what it looks like. Actually, that was a bad one. Hold on. Alright. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video.